Nicotine. You've heard of the drug, chances are you know someone who's been affected by it, and you yourself may have even been affected by nicotine. But what really is nicotine? How exactly does it affect someone? Well, today you'll see the reality behind an addictive and harmful stimulant that causes nearly 500,000 deaths in America each year. On average, smokers live 14 years less than non-smokers. In addition to the fatality rate, women who smoke increase the risk of lung cancer by 13 times, while men who smoke increase the risk of lung cancer by 23 times. Behind these truths, however, lies a new hope. The hope is found in an animal that you may see as useless, even a harmful pest in your house. Thanks to the mouse, research is made possible for saving more and more lives and making people and scientists aware of the harmful effects of many drugs, nicotine being one of them. Let's take a look first at how nicotine affects the body, and then how research on the mouse has helped study the addictive power of nicotine. First, a nicotine product is either inhaled or consumed. Then, the nicotine is absorbed by mucosal linings throughout your mouth and inside the nose. Immediately during and after inhalation, the drug passes through lung membranes and into the bloodstream. The bloodstream allows nicotine to make its way to your heart, further to your arteries, and to the brain. In the brain, neurotransmitters adrenaline and dopamine are released. That gives the user the happy buzz they crave and keeps them coming back for use. In a study published in November 2004, Henry A. Lester and his colleagues in California at the Institute of Technology uncovered some surprising truths about nicotine effects that may not have been possible without the mouse. Nicotine acts on brain cells by targeting receptors in neurons. Prior to Lester's study, previous studies showed that nicotinic acetylcholine is important in nicotine addiction. The study performed by Lester and his team used a genetically mutated mouse to discover that animals with a mutation in the alpha-4 subsection were particularly sensitive to nicotine's harmful effects. Mice with the mutation showed signs of addiction at lower doses than normal mice did. This study on mice proved evidence on the addictive power that could potentially give reasons to why some humans react differently and become more addicted to nicotine than other humans. Lester quotes, "I personally believe that nicotine addiction will be among the first addictions to be solved because we already have so many tools to study it." End quote. Mice being a powerful source, this helps deepen the knowledge we have about the drug and further be able to provide this information to the public ear. Doing so would possibly decrease the use of nicotine and be able to provide more and more help to those already suffering from addiction. Thank you to all the mice involved in scientific research to help better human lives all over the world. Thank you to the scientists who diligently work and study to help end today's addictions. As Lester believes, nicotine addiction will be solved, and I can say that I agree, thanks to little creatures that help us deepen our knowledge about how addiction really works so it can be fixed. There is hope for a bright future.